Hey guys, this is Dr. Karen Bush, consultant and orthopedic surgeon. This young wonderful lady has a knee arthritis pain.
Okay, so we are injecting advanced PRP, platelet-rich plasma in the knee, 6 ml. तो उसमें 9 times normal concentration होता है platelets का, और उसमें से PDGF करके फैक्टर, platelet derived growth factor, which helps nourish the joint cartilage. And it is taken out of the patient's own blood. No other chemicals are added. So this we have injected in the left knee, very comfortably done. And now we just do a little movement of the knee to spread it, और उसके ऊपर ड्रेसिंग रखते हैं. And the next is the other knee, where we will be injecting also the platelet rich plasma. This is a soft spot on the side of the knee joint. तो इंजेक्शन हड्डी में नहीं जाता है, it doesn't go in the bone, it goes in the soft space of the joint between the bones. So that's why it is not a painful injection in particular. थोड़ा नीडल जाती है तो at that time obviously you will feel, but it just goes in smoothly like this. So now again put the dressing and some knee movements, and the next we will be इंजेक्टिंग सोडियम हाइलुरोनेट, जिसको जेल भरना बोलते हैं, जॉइंट की गद्दी को लुब्रिकेट और मजबूत करने के लिए. दिस इज़ HACM इंजेक्शन. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो 6 ml. तो ये भी वही स्पॉट से जाता है लाइक दिस, एंड इट इज़ ऑल डन इन द OPD. नो नीड फॉर हॉस्पिटल एडमिशन. एंड patient, as you will see afterwards, will walk straight away. So this sodium hyaluronate injection is done now in the left knee, just complete. So that's the needle coming out. Again we are injecting in the other knee also, the right knee. We have to wear sterile gloves and use sterile gauze. And also this is the PRP machine through which we made the platelet rich plasma earlier. So now we are injecting the sodium hyaluronate in the right knee. Just goes in smoothly like this. जब निडल जाती है तो उस टाइम पे थोड़ा फील होता है, but no anesthetic is needed, no hospitalization is needed. And the whole actual injection process जैसा आपने देखा 1-2 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाता है. It is about getting the right components and the right skill to do the injection and choosing the correct patient. Now this lady, तो अभी इंजेक्शन के तुरंत बाद, immediately after the injections of both the advanced PRP and the hyaluronate in both the knees, within the 1 minute this lady is now walking independently, और वो घर भी खुद ही जाएंगे अपनी कार में. No need to stay in the hospital, and they can walk independently and do the normal activities. So this is the X-ray. The left knee has more advanced arthritis, KL grade 3 to 4, जो आप देख सकते हैं गैप बहुत कम हो चुका है. And the right knee you will see has slightly less severe arthritis, but both knees were very painful. ये नी कैप patellofemoral joint है, उसमें भी लेफ्ट नी में ज़्यादा नया हड्डी ग्रो हुआ है, severe arthritis है. But she is only 51, so we are going to give her the best chance of saving her from knee replacement or any major surgery. But this combination of advanced platelet rich plasma and hyaluronate injection treatment has more than 80% chance of success.